Okay, this is a SL question, and it's come up a few times. Similar questions come up a few times in recent exam years. So it's about a game, and the key word, although I've used it twice, school fair, the key word if the game is to be fair. So you can have a read of it, but this is the key word that we're looking at here, fair. Okay, so if we get heads, we've got a probability of 0.7, and if we get tails, we've got a probability of 0.3. Every time we have heads, we lose 1.5, and every time we have tails, we're going to be paid out K, but we're still paying 150 to play the game, so it's 150 that we lose out of the K that we're given. Now we want the expectation to be 0, because this game is the key word fair, which means that nobody wins and nobody gains. So fair is why the expectation is 0. And the expectation is this times this plus this times this. So we end up with 0.7 times 150, or negative 150, plus 0.3 times that bracket there. And the key thing, it's now going to be equal to 0. So all I'm going to do is a bit of algebra with this. So it's equal to 0. So a bit of algebra with this. And I've got my calculator here, so we can just work out a few bits and pieces. So 0.7 times 1.5 equals 105. So I'm just going to finish with K minus 150 equals, this is negative 1.05. So add that to both sides. Divide both sides by 0.3 to get rid of this. And now I'm going to add on the 150 to get 5. So K needs to be 5. It needs to be paid out $5 for the game to be fair. The key thing is you've got to define fair as being the expectation is 0.